If you're thinking of trying your hand at freelancing, the first step would be to decide the type of work that you're going to undertake, as well as the platform. With a huge number of freelancing platforms on the internet, it will not be easy to pick the best platform for you. Certain platforms may be more beginner-friendly than others, but may pay less and vice versa. You should be looking for a platform that resembles both quality, and for that, Upwork is the only right answer. Upwork is widely known as the best online freelancing platform by many people. Upwork offers you a vast array of tools that will help you to efficiently earn money online. You can offer services like graphic design, blog writing, digital marketing, accounting, etc. on Upwork. The competition of Upwork is with Fiverr, which is also a very popular online freelancing platform known by many people. Many people do not know what is the significance between Upwork and Fiverr. First of all, Upwork offers a number of features that aren't available in Fiverr, including an entirely different contract type. The cut deduction policy of Upwork is also better than most platforms. The amount of cut taken on Upwork depends upon your received transaction on the platform. Upwork will only take a 20% cut if your all-time income is below $500. Then, from $500 to $10,000, it takes 10% cut. And after you earn over $10,000, Upwork takes only a 5% cut. Many people believe earning on Upwork as a beginner with absolutely no experience is impossible, but it's not that difficult. Everyone has to start from the bottom with no experience to achieve success. Let's discuss how you can also start earning your first bucks on Upwork with no experience. Number 1. Choosing a good profile picture. Whenever you're applying for any job in your life, the first impression matters the most, and it is no different from applying for a client on Upwork. Your profile picture is the first thing that you will be showcasing to other people. Having a good-looking profile picture is extremely important as it represents your personality on the platform. Avoid using fake profile pictures and instead use profile pictures of yourself that clearly show your entire face. In this way, the client can build up extra trust in you. Upload a high-quality picture and avoid using a grainy and poor quality picture, as that will make people think that you are very unprofessional. The ideal picture to use would be an HD headshot picture of yourself with a smile on your face and appropriate dressing. Number 2. Having good language skills. In case you manage to strike up a conversation with a potential client because of your attractive profile picture, the next essential skill required would be to have good language and dealing skills. When you're in a conversation with a client, you should be able to communicate with them and understand what they demand is with ease. You will have to be extremely confident about yourself and what you're offering to assure the client that you are fit for the task, because your client is not physically in front of you when you're dealing with them. You will have to be precise with your words to leave a good impression on him, no matter if you land a job or not. You should always be improving your language skills, as that will help you achieve your first task on Upwork, or may even have the potential to work with a higher paying client. If you are not a wizard of words, small writing mistakes like grammar and spelling mistakes may act as a red flag to many clients, and they will lose their trust in you. Before every reply, you should check what you've written at least 2 or 3 times before sending the message. Number 3. Creating samples of your work. Just like having a degree for applying for a job, it is a good idea to create some work samples if you're starting out as a freelancer to improve your credibility on the platform. Offering free samples of your work to potential clients would help you out a lot in getting your first job. It will allow you to easily share your talents and skills to your clients, and it will strengthen your credibility in front of them. If you're a writer or a photographer, consider creating a website where you can put all of your work on display for other people to see. Not only the website showcases your work, but it will also generate passive income for you. If you're thinking to work as a writer on Upwork, creating a blog site is a wonderful idea for you. Number 4. Consider low-paying jobs. You can't expect to land the bigger jobs on the platform as soon as you join the platform. Without credibility and samples of your work, no one would want to hire you for big budgets. Because you don't have any reviews as a beginner on Upwork, you should always be looking to undertake lower-paying jobs on the platform. People might hire you for such low rates as they are not expecting top-tier work for such budgets, and they won't be disappointed as much for such low rates. These starting jobs will allow you to build trust among everyone on the platform, and this is also going to allow you to land your biggest project yet that you were never expecting to get. Remember to work hard in the beginning and work your way up to the top. Number 5. Stay active. In order to land a successful job and maintain it, you will need to take constant action and be active on the platform almost all the time. Clients will only come to you if you interact with them and remain active on the platform as much as you can. You will need to spread awareness about yourself as much as you can to improve your chances of finding the right client. The more people you interact with, the higher your chances of landing a job. There will always be people who are looking to buy what you are offering, so never give up and stop searching. Being active on the platform already means that you're surpassing all of the other people who aren't constantly active on the platform. Number 6. Build your portfolio. As you continue to gain experience from the platform, you'll need to constantly improve your profile and build it further. The more jobs you do on the platform, the more jobs you will get, which will help in building your portfolio. A strong portfolio and credibility are very important, even if you don't have any work experience. It may prove tough to build a portfolio without any experience from scratch, but that shouldn't stop you. So freelancing is a great choice of career, especially as a part-time hustle or for students who would like to earn some extra cash from their homes. Upwork is a great platform for freelancers and clients alike. With over 12 million registered freelancers and 5 million registered clients, it may seem difficult to establish your freelancing career with those odds. But that isn't true. By hard work and dedication, you too can become successful at Upwork and work a prosperous job. Work on your portfolio and profile to make them stand out from your competitors and attract potential clients to land your first job. You can make a fortune from Upwork without any experience required at all. That's it for now. What do you guys have to say about this video? Drop in your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover more. Also, if you like our videos, kindly consider becoming a member to enjoy some amazing perks. That way you will also support us and help us continue to make more such videos. Thank you for watching.